Well-to-do octogenarians everywhere can now ride in style through their local Florida retirement home, turning their noses up at the plebeians who drive one of those generic club cart golf carts. Do their carts have a fancy touchpad to control drive modes, wipers, windscreen heater, and the refrigerator? It's doubtful. There's little doubt there will be nothing like the Mercedes Garia Golf Cart parked out front of the Community Senior Center. The Mercedes Golf Cart started as a concept in 2016. Since then, little has changed from a design standpoint. The cart still looks like some futuristic take on the Smart ForTwo Cabrio. The bulbous design has a golf ball-inspired grille, raked headlights, and an upright windscreen. The genuine leather is waterproof. The body panels including the roof are made from carbon fiber, which is also throughout on the seats and dashboard. Everything about the Mercedes Garia Golf Cart screams ridiculously premium. The cart, designed in cooperation with Garia, is far sportier than your average cart found on your open-to-the-public golf course. The vehicle comes with Bluetooth and integrated hi-fi speakers, so you can listen to your tunes as you head to the next tee, upsetting the other golfers with your punkish rock roll. Occupants can also view an electronic scorecard. Pencil and paper are so 2012 and surf the internet via smartphone connectivity. The cart is, of course, electric, something the sleek WOULDNB gas-powered. The lithium battery pack has a capacity of 10.24 kilowatt-hours, the largest ever in a production golf cart, according to Mercedes, with a range of up to 50 miles. Plenty of range to hit the links, spa, and bar before settling down for a 4:00 dinner. The cart is street legal with a top speed of up to 43 miles per hour. However, U.S. customers will have carts restricted to 25 mph thanks to federal law. The ride is also car-like thanks to 14-inch rims, front disc brakes, and a double wishbone suspension. Garia currently lists the cart on its website and is taking pre-orders now. All you need is a $1,000 deposit that goes toward the $73,000 starting price. That seems like quite a lot of money for what? An igloo cooler and portable radio. Yes, you lack the fine leather, heated windscreen, and the general aura of superiority, but $73,000 is a lot to pull from the pension fund who wants to leave the grandkids an inheritance anyway. The golf cart makes its official debut at this year's Geneva Motor Show.